Greetings, greetings, greetings. We're here again, and today we're here for the AppZilo review. AppZilo. Now, AppZilo is a software that it looks to develop apps in a very short time, as quick as 90 seconds is promised. We're here in the dashboard, and we can see the deal analytics. But I guess nothing is really done yet, so I guess that's why there's nothing there. Total followers, your apps, sent notifications. All right, but here's where the action starts. Build apps. So if we click on build apps, right, it takes us to the page where all the magic happens. Enter your URL, name, internal name, about, choose a file, for the icon, and submit. I'll be showing you a demo in a short while, so you'll be able to see how all of this works. More, your apps, push notification, image editor. Takes a little while to load, but it's coming. And lovely, we have training and tutorials. So this is the image editor, and we have training and tutorials, right? So how to, overview, how to create an app, how to upload in cPanel, how to download app in mobile, how to send push notifications to customers. And of course, support is there, and they promise that their support is lightning fast. So I'm hoping that that's the case. All right, let's look at the offer itself now. So here is the offer. So this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, October 22nd. Click here to grab AppZilo. Now, within this offer, you're able to grab my special bonus package, right? So Floyd's Insane bonus bundle. Now, what is AppZilo about? It's a brand new one-click cloud app that lets you convert your existing website into an app, whether iOS or Android, plus unlimited mobile apps, right, from scratch. Create and sell mobile apps for big profits to affiliates, coaches, attorneys, dentists, gyms, and over 10,000 other niches. No coding or prior experience needed. Right, so of course you want the bonuses, and I'm going to tell you about my bonuses shortly. But let's talk about AppZilo first. So AppZilo allows you to create unlimited apps. Right, comes with a simple drag and drop editor. Sells unlimited apps to online and local businesses. Fastest and bug-free delivery. Turn any website into fully fledged apps in seconds. No App Store, no Play Store approval needed. Comes with pre-built templates. And it's said to be the world's first mobile app builder for iOS or Android that allows you to turn your existing website into a lightning fast, future-ready mobile app in just one click. All right, so of course, what I'm seeing is that you would have to already have had a website, because what the app does is create the app from your website. Right, so what this software does, it creates the app from your existing website and gives you another means of reaching your customers. Now, price and upsells. So the front-end AppZilo commercial software is $17.62. Right, you get free 30 reseller license and commercial license for special bonuses. There is the ability to add on pro training, priority support, one-click website builder, right, and over 300 ready-to-use templates and commercial softwares, commercial license to serve your clients. And that add-on would be $11.97. Right, and there's more. You can go up to the Pro for $37.62 additional. You can add over 25 apps with full source code for $11.97. AppZilo Lite is $27.62. You can get 5 apps bundle with reseller rights for $11.97. AppZilo Host is $37.62. AppZilo Enterprise is also $37.62. And then you can get up to over 50 PLR license softwares for $11.97. There's AppZilo Done For You, $37.62. AppZilo Reseller Unlimited License, $67.62. an AppZilo white label for $97.62. So a lot of add-ons that are there available. Unfortunately, I didn't have the information to give details of what comes with these add-ons, but I'm sure that when you click, if you're interested, the details will be shown to you. Now, some key benefits is that, again, no technical skills required. You're able to achieve monetization with your Google Ads. 100% newbie friendly. One-time price and use forever. Works for any business in any niche. Comes with unlimited commercial license. And there's, right, they promise ultra-fast customer support. And of course, there's a $200 refund if it doesn't work for you. Now, of course, don't expect that you'd buy the app or buy the software and sit on your hands and then claim a refund. I'm sure that for the refund, you'll have to show that you have tried to use the software and that you haven't seen the benefits, right? So you have to show some effort before you can think about a refund. And they're guaranteed, or they're confident that once you make the effort, you will see the benefits. So there will be no need for a refund. But there's a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee. Now, for the bonuses, my bonus number one, if you grab this software today, my bonus number one is a tutorial. Get traffic for your new AppZilo business. So, yeah, you have a wonderful software. You're able to develop many apps, but you need clients. So here we tell you how to get traffic for your new business. Bonus number two, how to get 90% off your ad spend for Bing and AdWords. Right? That's bonus number two. And then there's bonus number three, how to write headlines or subject lines that sell. Right? You want to grab your clients, you want to grab them and get that money, get that spend going. And then bonus number four, this one is not mine, right? So this is from the AppZilo software developers to you. So the special bonus from AppZilo, right? There are 4 of them listed, so you can check them out. And I think they should come with the basic purchase. All right, so I told you I would give you a chance to see the demo. So here we go. All right, so this is the demo. We're in the dashboard area. We're going to click to build apps and go into the action area, enter the URL, name, an internal name. Well, it seems to be the same. About. Let's talk about the app, what it's about. And you're going to also need to choose a file, an icon for the app. Right? So you choose a file that will be used as an icon for your app. Notice that not able to submit without attaching that file. So once you attach that file, then submit. And very quickly, it says that your app is now ready for download. All right, so downloading the app and moving on. All right, so the rest of it I won't bore you with all of this right now. Right here on my bonus page, you can actually see all of this. So you can go through it at your own leisure. Just want to show you some information on their page now. Right, so whole lot of stuff here. 3-step process they say. They say log in, select, then publish, and then you can sell and profit. They show some figures, can't verify any of this information, but it's there, so you can always look at it. They say we are not alone. Over 50 top agencies and more than 1,200 customers are successfully using it and loving it. Right? And they said I've done 40,792 apps, which is huge. Right? Can't verify, but don't think they would make that claim without it being true. So, because these things you're supposed to, I think we're able to verify all of that. So I don't think they would put their reputation on the line. All right, so let me show you the developers. Oh, so they talk about why apps are important these days. In the past few years, mobile app development has becoming a booming industry. Right? Currently estimated that there are 2.3 million mobile app developers who are devoted to keeping up with industry demand. All right, so that's there. So even you can notice it. All right, so here are the developers. Developers are Ayush Jain and Pranush Gupta. right? So you can also check them out, right? You know, if you want to increase your confidence about your purchase, right? Let's look at their track record when it comes to development, product launches, and bringing products to us as customers. So all of that is there. So guys, I'm now going to just allow you to watch their sales pitch, and then it's over to you. Are you one who will benefit from being able to create apps quickly and being able to sell them? If so, then you definitely want to consider. Alright, so here goes. Here's their sales video.
Percent of internet users use mobile applications for shopping and many other tasks. And mobile apps are the most useful source for getting unlimited traffic, sales, and clients. In today's world, having a mobile app is important for any business. It improves your customer service, increases your product sales, and business visibility. An app ensures the same presentation of products and services every time users access it. Before moving ahead, let me show you what I made in the past 3 months by using AppZilo. Impressive, right? How would you feel having your very own mobile app agency selling both iOS and Android apps to customers? Interested? I'm Ayush Jain along with my friend Pranchu Gupta. We have been happily living the internet lifestyle for the last 10 years with full flexibility of working from anywhere at any time. With our experience, we've learned that to be successful online, you must get your hands on a foolproof system that works again and again and again. Without a doubt, that's mobile application. Mobile application is the key to getting new customers and creating deeper relationships with your existing customers. It's fair to say that mobile application is the most effective way of retaining and grabbing new customers for any local and online business. That's a real deal, but here's the problem. Nowadays, mobile apps development has become a costly experience you spend lots of time on. Hiring a separate developer for iOS and Android, spending thousands of dollars on iOS and Android apps, waiting for the app to be built, waiting for app approval, waiting for traffic to come. Even after that, there's still no guarantee that you'll get the desired ROI as you expected. But not anymore. Today, we're changing all of that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective and lightning-fast solution to create your very own mobile apps on both iOS and Android platforms. With just a few clicks, no coding, and zero headaches. Sounds interesting? Introducing AppZilo, the world's first one-click mobile app builder. With AppZilo, you can easily build both iOS and Android apps, send push notifications, install without visiting App Store and Play Store, get up and running in under 5 minutes, make it work without the internet, and tons of more features like automatic updates, one-click install links, unlimited notifications, QR code, and more. You get all of it at just a low one-time price. And you are not alone. TOP 150 plus agencies and more than 20,000 plus customers are successfully using it and loving it. With AppZilo, you'll never face issues like waiting for clients, waiting for traffic and sales, waiting for apps delivery, hiring separate developers for both iOS and Android apps, spending thousands of dollars for just one app, waiting for app approval on App Store and Play Store. AppZilo has everything you need to start right away and scale it further. So what are you waiting for? AppZilo is available for just a one-time price without any limitations, but just for thy special charter launch. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. You can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here. So click on the button below and get instant access to AppZilo for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, I, Ayush Jain, along with my friend Pranchu Gupta, congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The AppZilo team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.